Hey everybody, I'm here today to answer a car question that has actually been asked to me many times. The question is, should you buy an extended car warranty when you purchase a car? Now my answer is yes, you definitely should, but let me give you the more detailed answer. Let me fully explain myself, okay? So I think that you should buy the extended car warranty because in my opinion, you are buying peace of mind. Now it's worth it, in my opinion, to buy the extended warranty, even if you never ever have to use it, okay? So, and there's one situation in which I will say that it's not worth it to buy, but I'll tell you that in just a little bit once I finish explaining my yes explanation. So let's say you buy the extended warranty and you never have to use it, even for the smallest repair, okay? The smallest thing, you never have to use it, it's still worth it because in my opinion, buying an extended warranty is almost like buying insurance. You're buying it for the peace of mind, and it's worth it even if you never have to use it. Let's say you buy insurance and you never have to use the insurance, you never have to take advantage of the insurance policy and use it to replace or repair something. It's still worth it to buy that insurance policy because you're paying for the relaxation effect. You're paying for the peace of mind, okay? Now when you're driving a car, there's actually a good chance that something is gonna break down within a certain amount of time because you're looking at hundreds, if not thousands, of moving components in each aspect of the car, in the engine, in the transmission, in the braking system, in the suspension system. There's so many parts. And you're driving this thing, it's rotating, the engine is revolving thousands of times per minute. Okay? If you're driving at 5,000 RPM, that engine is revolving 5,000 times every minute. Okay? You are doing these things and you're traveling at a high rate of speed. So with all of that being said, stuff's gonna break down. It's likely gonna break down. If you happen to get lucky and nothing breaks down throughout the life of your car, then you got lucky. But it's a good thing you probably still purchased the extended warranty because it gives you that peace of mind that you need when you're driving a car. You don't wanna be driving this car. Your car that's worth $30,000, $40,000, potentially $50,000 or much more. And you don't want to be worried about having to pay for a $1,000, $2,000 repair that is probably going to happen within the life of the car that you're driving it. It's as simple as that. You're paying for the peace of mind. Now, there is a situation in which I would say that it's not worth it to buy the extended warranty. Let's say that the regular warranty of your car is like 3 years without getting the extended warranty, and you're only planning on keeping the car for 3 years. Then in my opinion, it's worth it to buy the car, not buy the extended warranty, and sell it before your regular warranty is up. And it's not to say that you're not helping out the next person, because the next person, if they buy the car, they can probably go and purchase an extended warranty from the dealership. They will probably be able to purchase an extended warranty from the automotive dealership, most likely. I mean, I'm not telling you that they can for sure, but they will most likely be able to purchase it. So if they want to spend the extra money, then they can go and spend the extra money and purchase the extended warranty. And that opens you up to more potential buyers, because if they're allowed to purchase the extended warranty, then if this person is selling a car that already has the warranty, they are limiting themselves to the buyers that only want a car with a warranty. You can get a buyer that wants a car without a warranty for a cheaper price, or a buyer that wants a car with the warranty because they can buy their car and probably buy the warranty too. So that's the situation in which, no, it might not be worth it to buy the extended warranty if you're planning on selling the car before your regular warranty ends, okay? And that's basically it. I just wanted to answer a very simple question of, should you buy an extended warranty when you buy a car? I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about whether or not you should buy an extended car warranty when you buy a car in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.